White's objective here is to make a living shape. White really only has two choices, either here, going into the corner, or this. Right here will fail because black will just limit white's entry to the corner. And it seems like this might be a ko of some sort, but actually no, black can come in this way and white will be dead. White cannot make a real eye here. So that's why number 1 here actually doesn't work. If you try this, then this will be a ko, which is not the optimal result white is seeking here. You try some of these other moves. Even if white goes into the corner now, this will be a fake Seki shape. It's just not going to work. Going into the corner will be better, right? Black cannot play here because now white can live this way. One eye here and another eye here. If black plays here on the corner, now white can play right here. Black will try to reduce white's eye space, but what's really interesting is that white can already live this way. Be something like this. Black can come in, but it cannot connect back. This will be a connect and die. And white will be able to capture 3 of these stones, which guarantees 1 real eye. And of course, if black blocks here, white can make a living shape this way. So that is why number 1 here actually works. Pretty neat pattern. Hope you enjoyed it. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.